recording a video of the view. Yes, guys, I'm at a hotel right now. With Lenia. The view is great, and the weather is awesome. Imagine if I just, like, dropped my phone and it, like, went down there. That would just suck. I mean, that is a really long fall, honestly.
Wouldn't get back.
Who wants to see my reflection? I don't know if you can see my reflection. Yeah, you can. Hello, people. Hello. I think I should get a video of the entire hotel room. This is where we slept. This is where Freya slept. Yeah. This is our totally awesome kitchen. Yeah, pretty awesome room. There's Freya. And there's Lawton. Yeah, I was taking a video of the entire room. And the view we had out there. Good, Connor.